As you'll likely know by now, most Newbird users don't have the ability to make changes to the organisational tree. However, for those that do, today we're looking at how to move departments and positions within the tree. Let's take a look. Here's an existing organisational tree. There's the root entity, the sub-entity of Queensland, and then Mackay and Springfield. Currently, Springfield has all of these departments, but Mackay has none. Let's move the dining department from Springfield, where it currently sits, to Mackay. Click on the dining department and then this Move button. In the search field, search for the new parent, in this case Mackay. Click on Mackay when it pops up like this and confirm the move. Remember that if there are any children of the dining department, they too will move. We can now see that the dining department has moved from our list of Springfield departments as it's no longer there. If we check Mackay, there it is. The same can be done when moving positions. The dining department of the Springfield entity has these 3 positions. Instead of the bar manager being a position of the dining department as it is currently, let's move this position to the management department. Follow the same process as before. Click on bar manager like this and then move. Enter management here because that's where we're moving the position to. And confirm. We can now see that under dining, that position has gone and it now sits under management. There are lots of other things that you can do with the organisational tree. Do check out our other training videos.